This is so beautiful. Can you just see? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I know we are in the season, and because we're in the season and it's a season of buying gifts for friends and family, loved ones, hence all the store deals that are going on, I did purchase some fabrics and I wanted to go ahead to share with you guys the fabrics that I got. Going to Joann, I was hoping to get some really great knits. Where I live, it gets really cold. I realized I really didn't have any knits in my stash. If I did, it's just one or two, and even that wasn't warm enough for the weather right now. So I was hoping to find some great knits that I can make something with. So the first fabric that I got was this velvet fabric. I believe that the bill said pink. Where I'm from, if it's pink, it's pink. I know in America there are different types of pinks, different types of reds, different types of, there's a lot. Unfortunately, it wasn't enough, but then it's enough to make a top. And so I think I'm going to make a top. I'm thinking of making a kimono sleeve top. I may change my mind, but then that's what jumps into my mind right now. So for the second fabric I got this very beautiful gold and black pleated skirt. Unfortunately, I did not get the fabric as one piece. This was the only one left and they were just in pieces. And my intention is to sew sort of midi gather skirt. I have this obsession with mini dresses, mini gather skirts. I have fallen in love with midi outfits. So midi dress, midi skirts, I love them. I don't know if I have the best legs for them, but I love them. I am going to make myself a gathered midi dress. I did get an elastic from Joann that same day for the skirt. The next fabric I got was this black satin black satin fabric. So it's shiny on one side and it's not as shiny on the other side. So I was thinking of making a circle skirt. However, I wanted to also add some gathering in there so it will be really big. But I changed my mind. I just decided to just do a regular gather skirt. So I knew this was the fabric that I wanted. So I took advantage of the discount that was going on. It was 60% off the fabrics. This is the Casa collection fabric and I bought 2 yards of that. Making a skirt like this, you can dress it up, dress it down with a t-shirt. Imagine making a top and wearing it with this. This will be really pretty. Next, I got me a rib knit fabric. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? This is so beautiful. I've been looking for a rib knit fabric online. I've been to Mood. Mood has beautiful, amazing fabrics, but the prices can be really high. And even on Black Friday, the deals were not as it was on Joann. I was hoping to see 7% off, you know, or 50% off at least, but it wasn't that. Or maybe I didn't go at the right time. I don't know. I went on Black Friday. I've been going on Mood's website every time to see if I could get some deals. They're not the best deals, and their fabrics a yard can be expensive. These days I really want to invest in my clothes, so I don't have too many clothes, but good quality pieces that I can wear for a long time. You know, I think it really speaks volume when you dress up. For example, today I went to the grocery store and I saw this lady in this coat. The moment I entered the store, I saw the coat she was wearing. In my mind I was just like, oh wow, that is a beautiful coat. She happened to come close to me later on and I told her, that is a beautiful coat you're wearing. She was like, oh, thank you. I asked her, where'd you get it from? She said she got it from Nordstrom. I was like, there you go. You better step up. You better level up. Anyway, so that is off topic. So I got this knit fabric and this was the first thing I saw in the knit area. I was so happy to see this fabric. I got 4 yards of this fabric. They had a cream one, but I'm in love with the nudes. And this is quite close to my skin tone. So obviously I went for this. What I want to make with this is most likely a long sleeve turtleneck top and then a skirt. I got 4 yards. Finally, I got this fabric and it's this knit. It really stretches. I love the pink color. It's not bright. It is really beautiful. I also got 4 yards of this. I'm not sure what to make with this, but most likely it's going to be a dress. So there you have it. These are the fabrics I got from Joann on the Black Friday Thanksgiving. Everything was a little below $100. Usually buying 5 fabrics would have been more than that. So you have made it to the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure you click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do want to subscribe. And also let me know in the comment below what you'd like to see from me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great one. Bye.